everyone, what's up? Let's learn about the 10 English words to enhance our vocabulary because English is as important as our other languages. So let's learn English words for today. So the first word is abate. It's a verb, A-B-A-T-E, abate. Its meaning is make something less intense to reduce something. Sentence: the rain has started to abate, which means it's reducing. Second word, aberrant. A-B-E-R-R-A-N-T, aberrant. It's an adjective. The meaning of this word is departing from an accepted standard, abnormal behavior. We can use it in this sentence as this somewhat aberrant behavior requires an explanation. Third word, abet. A-B-E-T. It's a verb. The meaning of this word is encourage or assist someone to do something wrong. Remember that here, to encourage something to do wrong. Now we can use it in the sentence as he was not guilty of murder but was guilty of abating others. Fourth word, abeyance. A-B-E-Y-A-N-C-E. Abeyance, it's a noun. We can use it as matters were held in abeyance pending for further inquiries. Now, its meaning is a state of temporary suspension. So, matters which are held in suspension are pending for further inquiries. We can say that. Fifth word, abnegate. A-B-N-E-G-A-T-E, abnegate, verb. The meaning of this word abnegate is renounce or reject something desired or valuable, step down without any force, and we can use it in sentence as he attempts to abnegate personal responsibility. Abortive. A-B-O-R-T-I-V-E, abortive, it's an adjective. Meaning of this word abortive is failing to produce the intended result, unsuccessful. In sentence, we can use this word abortive as my efforts to make cake as the chef proved abortive, which means it's failed in making the cake as the chef. Seventh word, abridge. A-B-R-I-D-G-E, abridge, it's a verb. Meaning of this word abridge is to reduce the length or to shorten it. The sentence will be like the introduction is abridged by the author, means the introduction is shortened by the author. Eighth word is abrogate. A-B-R-O-G-A-T-E, abrogate, it's a verb. The meaning of this word abrogate is repeal, do away with a law, right, or formal agreement. We can use it as both parties are ready to abrogate the event. Ninth word is abscond. A-B-S-C-O-N-D, abscond, it's a verb. And the meaning of abscond is run away secretly, leave secretly, without any notice. We can use it as the barman absconded with the stolen money, means the barman lived secretly with the stolen monies. 10th and the last word for today is abstemious. A-B-S-T-E-M-I-O-U-S. It's an adjective, and the meaning of this word is indulging only very moderately in something, less eating or drinking. See, she is abstemious in life. So, we are completing this today for the 10 words, and we will come with another 10 words another day. And let's learn that. And if you like my video, then like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for joining me.